Want to know how to get started with TubeBuddy as a beginner? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can use TubeBuddy and set it up, and just simply use tools, etc. Let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy application or the website. So we have also created similar videos regarding TubeBuddy, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now you can just simply open up TubeBuddy and launch your extension, and it should open up on YouTube Studio by default. So it should look something like this. So as you can see right here on the left side, you should be seeing this TubeBuddy icon, and on top you should also be seeing it after it loads. And what you can do is you can just simply add or edit tools. So you can just simply click any one of these TubeBuddy icons in order to add tools to make your channel grow. So you can scroll all the way down and see things like comment moderation, the video analytics, where you can see your video analysis, and much more. So more you can do is you can just simply head towards content right here, and here you can also see much more, where you can just simply add end screen by selecting the app icon. Here you can see adding end screens and much more right here. End screens, copy, apply template. And also you can head towards languages analytics and see all of the analytics of yours and ranking of your channel through advanced analytics. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.